Hello everyone, so today I'm going to be going over Money, the Rolling Stones cover. So this song was originally written in like 1958 or 59 by the guy who founded Motown Records, Berry Gordy, and it turned out to be a hit, and it was covered by the Beatles, which was even a bigger hit, and I think that's the version most people hear. I like that version a lot. It's played on piano, and maybe I'll cover it later, but I wanted to cover the Stones one because it's still pretty good, and it's based on the guitar, so I think it's a pretty simple, easy, and fun song to learn. So it starts off by playing a D chord. So you put your first finger right here on the second fret of the G string and play the D string open. And then you play that twice, and then you bring in your second finger here, and then you press down on the third fret of the D string. So then you pull off your middle finger. So you go. And then you press it back down and slide it up. So your first finger is now on the fourth fret, and your middle finger is now on the fifth. So. And then you bring it back down, and then you just go back and forth with this middle finger. And you slide it back up again. And then you finish it off by going 1, 2, 3 at that top position. So altogether it sounds like this. And then when he starts the chorus, you go into the G chord here. And then back to the riff. And then you go to the A chord, G chord, back to that riff, and then A chord again. So all together. And that's it right there. So that's most of the song. If you can get that down, you can get down 95% of the song. The only time that riff is different at all is the very last time it's played through, going into the coda. That last A is held for an extra bar. So, you know. So you just hold that just a little bit longer at the very end. So there is kind of a solo in here. It's not really a guitar solo. It's more of a harmonica solo, but what the guitar is doing is a simplified version of that D chord we were playing earlier. So it's going like this. So you notice the second half of that is just what we've been playing. The first half, the simplified version, is just you're playing with your second finger again on the your first finger on the second fret of the G string, and then open D string. Hammering on your second finger on the third fret, and then sliding up. So you're just going back and forth between, that open D, and then pressing your middle finger down, sliding up, then going back down with your middle finger down, playing that again, and then opening up again. And so that's kind of how you play a solo. It's real simple. And then just one other little fine-tuning thing if you really want to perfect the song. I don't know if you can really do this well. I think it's overdubbed in the recording, but if someone else is playing guitar, you know, if they're doing another part, they can play this part as well. At the end of each verse, they do a little like riff right here that goes. So after you go. While you're playing that part, there's another guitar that goes. So all you do to play that is put your index finger on the 10th fret of the E string, and then put your pinky finger on the 13th fret of the B string. So that's all you're doing, and you're bending up the B string here. So it goes B, E, B. So I hope you thought this video was helpful. If you liked it, please like or subscribe. I've got other videos on this channel if you want to check out and learn some other things, and I'll try to keep the content coming regularly, maybe, you know, a video or two a week. But I hope this one, you know, was pretty easy for you, and I hope you have fun playing it.